Hey all, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome back to my channel Shine with Pranoti. So guys, if you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Pranoti. I make videos on skincare, hair care and makeup. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe. So today's video is a makeup video. So as you all know, Karwa Chauth is just around the corner. And that's why today in our video, we are going to create a makeup look which is very easy to do and you can easily pull it off. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. So first I'm gonna pull off my hair back so that it's not in my way. So now I've already prepped my skin with the moisturizer, and the moisturizer that I used is Venusia, and now I'm using the primer which is by Swiss Beauty. It's a real makeup base. So one good thing about this primer is if you don't want to do too much of makeup, you can use this as a base and then you can set it with a loose powder and you're good to go, because this primer actually adds a lot of glow on your skin. And that's the reason this primer is my absolute favorite. And now moving on to the base, and for my base I'm using a Stay Quirky foundation. It's a liquid foundation and this is the first time I'm trying this product. I got this from Purple and I'm gonna put the link in description box below. And now with the help of a beauty blender, I'm gonna spread it evenly on my face, and I'm gonna do this with only dabbing movements. So I take my own time to make sure that the base is done perfectly, because this is the first step and if this goes wrong your makeup is not gonna look good. So take your own time and make sure that your base is completely flawless. And with your face, don't forget to cover your neck as well, because if your neck color is not similar to your face, then the makeup is not gonna look good and it's gonna look like you have put on makeup only on your face and you have not covered your neck. Moving on, now here comes the concealer, and for the concealer I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer. The shade is Fair. And now with the same beauty blender, I'm gonna blend the concealer below my eyes and also on my eyes, because now what happens when you do this, this gives you a base for your eye makeup so that your eyeshadow does not crease and it looks beautiful. And now we are pretty much done with the concealer. And now moving on to set the base, I'm gonna use Compact, which is from Colorbox. And now what this is gonna do is this is gonna mattify your complete base, and if you don't do this your face is gonna look oily, and that's why do not skip this step. And also do not forget your under eye area and your neck. So now as you can see, the base is almost done. Now let's move on to the eyebrows, and for my eyebrows today I'm using this By Mission's eyebrow pencil. This is a 3-in-1 pencil. One side is a brush, other one is a pencil, and you also get a chalk with it. So now I'm using this pencil section and I'm gonna fill in my sparse area. So the shade here is a gray shade. This is available in black as well and also in brown. You can check that. I'm gonna put the link in description box. So I'm using the shade gray because I feel if you use black it looks very intense and does not give your eyebrows a natural look. And now I'm gonna brush it out so that I get a more natural look. And now eyebrows are pretty much done. And now moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using this Swiss Beauty Color Story palette. It has a lot of color and I'm also going to show you which color I have used. So this is a bit brown, but it is a bit shimmery color. It doesn't look in the camera right now, but it's a bit shimmery. And now this color I'm going to use as my base. And now I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty palette, and the shade I'm gonna use this is a bit of dark brown shade, and I'm gonna put it on my outsides of eyelid, and with the help of a beauty blender I'm gonna blend this both colors. So I've not used too much of colors for my eyeshadow because, as I said, it's a very easy makeup look and you can easily put it off. So I'm gonna blend these two colors. And on top of these two colors I'm going to use the last color, which is lighter one, and you can see it's kind of a highlighter color which is a bit white, so that it's gonna neutralize all these two colors, and at the same time it's gonna look really beautiful. And now I'm gonna use the same shade on the edge of my eyebrows so that it highlights those areas. And now for my kajal, I'm gonna use this Lakme Iconic Kajal. Today for this makeup look, I'm gonna go a little bit darker. So now I've done my liner off screen, and now for my mascara I'm using this Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. So now this mascara gives your eyes a very voluminous look, and you can apply as many coats as you want. And I'm applying this on my lower lash as well. And now for the contouring I'm using this Lakme Absolute Contour. It has a highlighter shade and a contour shade. So when you're done with your base, it's like a plain canvas, and when you add contour to your face, it's like adding more colors to your canvas, because contouring gives a definition to your face, and at the same time it makes your face look slimmer. And now to give more definition to my nose, I'm contour my nose as well, and this gonna make my nose look sharper. After blending this out, we are pretty much done with the contouring. Yeah, we are done. And now for the blush, I'm using this Swiss Beauty blush. It has 4 shades, and the good thing about this blush is that it gives you a little bit of highlighter effect, and the color is very pigmented. And now for the highlighter, I'm using this Instant Glow Shimmer Brick. It has 5 shades, and it is also very pigmented. You can use this as a highlighter, and the golden shade you can use as eyeshadow as well. And I'm gonna highlight my bridge of the nose. Even after applying highlighter with brush, it's never enough, and that's why I'm using my finger to apply a little bit of more highlighter. I'm also going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes so that the eyes look more bright and more beautiful. And now for the lipstick, I'm using this Lakme Enrich Matte Lipstick in the shade RM14, a very vibrant red color. And this is pretty much with the makeup. And to add a finishing touch, I'm gonna add this bindi, red color bindi, and that's it. And here's the final look, and since it's a Karwa Chauth makeup look, I am wearing this beautiful red sari with the sindoor. I have added big earrings with a neck piece, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did so, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week, so stay tuned guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.